Hi, I'm Deb, and today it's not going to be about me, it's going to be about one of our new staff members, Marghie, who has the most fabulous crochet top on, and we want her to tell you all about it.
Hi everyone, my name's Marghie. Today I'm wearing the Huldra top by Lilla Bjorn Crochet, and you can get the pattern on Ravelry. It comes in lots of sizes from extra small to I think a 4XL, and it's a pretty simple crochet pattern. I've used simple stitches, I've used the hedgehog skinny singles, and it comes up really pretty. Just depends on what you want to get out of it, and you can use the Whirl and Whirlette, which is what is in the actual pattern, or it would come up really nice in the Madeline Tosh, which is here.
Marghie, how is it made?
It's made using simple crochet stitches. It's done in the round, and it's a top-down approach, and it'll be good for an adventurous beginner.